morning, Dank fam. It's your boy DankWheelie, and I gotta grab some coffee before we start today's video, because for once I'm actually doing some talking. This looks like a good parking spot. Easy peasy. So finally guys, I've unboxed this bike and I haven't even made one video on it yet. So today we're putting some miles on it. I think I already have like 600 on here though. Oh, 581. So yeah, she's almost ready for her first oil change, and then we can start ripping on her. I've touched redline on this bike, but very, very lightly. Higher gears, nothing too hood ratty. So I'm really testing myself, guys. It's still 580 miles and we have yet to try a wheelie on this bike. So we're doing good as far as taking care of this and keeping her clean. But man, she rips. I love this thing. Especially riding my clapped out stunt bike all weekend in Chicago. What a blast that was. But man, it feels good to just get on a bike and you don't have to worry about maintaining it midway through riding it. But we're gonna get that all situated, guys. Everybody knows me as the guy that does crazy stunts, but also crashes a lot. You know, I'm just sketchy and it's entertaining to watch. My videos are entertaining probably for that reason for a lot of you guys, just for the fact that everything doesn't go as it's supposed to whenever I try something. So a lot of it has to do with my bike maintenance, my bike not being up to par, and I put a lot of effort into my bikes, guys. Don't think I slack on it or anything like that. I just, sometimes I don't have the right resources or whatever the case may be to get my bike exactly how I should have it, and I leave it like that, and then next thing you know I have problems down the road. So my biggest thing that I'm focusing on for these next couple months and just from here on out is just becoming a smoother, better rider all around. Yeah, so that first thing comes with bike maintenance, making sure your thing's tip-top, and then after that just overall slowing down all the crazy stunts and crazy lines and just kind of doing smoother lines and just being more calm altogether. So basically my type of riding is free riding. I don't have any exact plan. I just go out and send it. If something doesn't go how I want it to, might transition to a different set of tricks. You don't know. But basically I want to start doing more runs. That way when I go to do a trick, it's 110% lockdown. So we're heading out to the stunt lot in Tampa. I figured I'd give myself a weekend off from stunt riding and take the stock girl out and talk to you guys about some interesting stuff with YouTube and everything else going on. I hate to use that word. I'm probably going to get demonetized, even though nothing with this video is bad. Just the fact that we're talking about this subject. I'll take an L on this one. I got a ram mount, but that thing's looking sketch. All right, so get into what I wanted to talk about, guys. This is not a rant by any means. I want to get that covered before anything, because everything right now I'm perfectly happy with. I want to say thank you to everybody just supporting the channel and everything else. This has always been a side thing, but I've always taken it seriously. No matter what I got going on in the life, I always try to make time to keep you guys updated, whether it's quick updates or weeks or months afterwards. I just want to always keep you guys involved, even if I suck at it sometimes. So I apologize for that part of it. But as of lately, guys, I just been feeling it. You know, I got a couple new bikes, figuring out a little bit better as far as how to put my videos out there and promote them better to you guys, because I've always just kind of sent my videos out there and never really cared. Let me just wait until we get off this red light before we keep talking. I hate talking at a red light. So as you guys know, literally all my videos are about is riding. I've never gotten into politics, never had YouTube beefs, really. Maybe here and there, but nothing serious. I've never jumped into like the trends of things. You know, I've always tried to keep it fully transparent with you guys about my channel being exactly what the name is about, and that's just riding. You know, I do build series and stuff like that, but at the end of the day, I'm not trying to bother anybody or clickbait, this, that, and the other. It's strictly about riding. So the reason I'm bringing up this video is because ever since, I don't know, a year or so ago, I used to see all these videos and stuff about people getting demonetized and everything else happening, and I've always just kind of turned a shoulder to it. I've never really cared, since with my videos I'm just dragging and dropping them on YouTube. You know, it's paying a couple bucks and everything's cool. And then all of a sudden, a couple months after I realized all that stuff was happening with people, my videos finally started to get hit, and it was very lightly, so I didn't really take too much effect to it. And after a while, some of my most popular videos, the most views, started to get hit as well. But still, I'm not stressing over it. I'm putting out new videos, and that's just going to offset my older videos not getting views anymore, yada yada. But all of a sudden, guys, I took a really big hit when I was posting the Mexico videos. There we go, back at the light, back at the light. Intermission, buy some merch. Alright, so all of a sudden, guys, I started posting my Mexico videos, and I figured, alright, I haven't been on the channel a lot lately. I'm going to post like 5 videos in 7 days and get the rhythm going again. So I did that, guys, and 3 videos back to back to back got demonetized. And granted, they weren't all the most satisfactory videos in that aspect, but I mean, they had to cut me some slack, you know. But then once again, I'm not stressing it. You know, if those videos are still getting views, they're gonna push it to newer or older videos that aren't demonetized. Everybody's happy. So this is the main point I wanted to point out to you guys. What I've realized, and it's pretty obvious, you know, if your videos are demonetized and they're not getting ads, nobody's making money, so why would YouTube promote it? So with that being said, obviously your video is not going to get as many views as a video that is monetized. It's gotten to a point now, though, where I've always been like, hey, maybe my video is going to get demonetized, but at the end of the day, I just want to have that content out for my viewers to see. I don't care about making money. I just want them to see it. And if I get more viewers or more subscribers and traffic, awesome. I'm not worried about the money side of it. I just want more growth. But it's gotten worse now, because I now have, I don't know, I'd say about 500 gigabytes, 5 videos, or 5 days worth of videos from Chicago that I really want to post, guys. But I got tanked so hard posting my Mexico videos, because after 3 of those videos getting demonetized back to back, they shut my channel down. I was nowhere to be found, guys. And I worked really hard with these install videos and a couple other things that I was doing, just overall trying to shape the channel up better, to get back into YouTube's good graces. And now, you know, I just feel like it's gonna be like boom, boom, boom. And like I said, guys, I am not stressing the revenue side of this, because I have plenty of other means of income. YouTube's never been my main source of income, yet although I've tried it before. I do not recommend only having YouTube as a source of income. I have a day job. I mean, I work 30 hours a week. You know, I'm inside the motorcycle community around this area, so I get by. So this video is not to complain about not making money off my videos. It's simply to point out the fact that it's going a lot further than that. It's not that you're not making money off your videos anymore. It's the fact that if you're posting videos that are getting demonetized, you're pretty much destroying your channel. And it's sad, guys, because all I want to do is either stay normal with my viewers and everything else, or at least grow. Everybody wants to grow. But it's like, if I post this video, all right, my views daily go down to this. I post another one that gets demonetized, my views go down to this. And then literally, you're posting daily content that's good, and your channel's dying. It just doesn't make any sense. So I'm stressed out right now just for that fact that I want to keep posting these videos. I'm trying very hard to post them in a good way that everybody's happy, but it's gonna be tough. So we're gonna get out of that. I just wanted to give you guys a little feedback as far as what's going on with me. I know a lot of motorcycle channels are feeling it, and a lot of guys are getting out of motorcycles just for that aspect. You know, it's blatantly obvious they don't like motorcycles in the way that some people are riding them, and I get that, I understand. But at the end of the day, people like myself and a lot of other channels where we're just riding our bikes, you know, we got a good track record of not bothering people. It sucks because now we're getting affected by it. But don't let that bum you guys out in today's video. Look at this beautiful Florida view. It's just super nice. Some cuts. Ah, it felt good to air out a little bit of stuff. Hopefully the audio is not too bad. Been working hard on that. Switched up to the Hero 7. Got a new mic. We're doing it, guys. I love this Rock helmet, by the way. I switched over to it about a month or so ago, and she's the main girl now. So I got a couple new parts that I'm putting on the 19 Zx6r that we're going to be doing some install videos on soon, and hopefully keep this ship steady. We got a second t-shirt design dropping soon. I sold out of the first design pretty quick, guys. Thank you for the support. If you do want to buy some merch, I think I got a couple stickers or something. DankWheelie.com. Plug of the day. quick shifter is dope, but it only seems to work 3rd through 6th the best. 2nd and 3rd, it's like kind of hiccupy. Well, y'alls. YouTube. Alrighty guys, after that boring conversation that we had across the bridge, I'm gonna refresh this video with some nice stunts. So guys, get on your bike, start riding. Stay tuned.
Subframe total.
No.
Subframe total. Oh, that's good. Over here. Come check it out, Dank. See the work.
Oh. Instant. You've seen it live, folks. Jeez. We need some ratchet straps. ASAP. Don't worry, baby. That's not happening to you. You're just chilling. We're just cruising on you.
Do I look like a Philly street rider?
Hollywood Stunts is making me go crazy.
Listen, let me tell you something. Right
He's
now,
killing that thing. Check out Hollywood Stunts on Instagram. If you guys want to see this bike actually getting stunted, I'm not doing it, but Hollywood Stunts is holding it down. Alright, you guys thought I was kidding about the ratchet strap. Just to show you, he's gonna get this fixed, but we legit used a ratchet strap, hooked it onto the subframe, and we are good to go. That thing is not budging. So yeah, if you want to ride some more, man, feel free to.
Hey, you saw that video? Sure. The one you had
2 hours later.
The ratchet strap failed. Ratchet strap failed. Alright, your turn. Alright, quick commercial break. Buy some merch. Did a little bit of lot work with your man K Cushington, but we're gonna wrap up today's video. Let me know what you guys think of today's topic. Other than that, be sure to like, comment, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Check out the DankWheelie.com store, and like always, keep it dank. G-Skit Factory. Later.
Yeah, I like to keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it mellow. I drink and keep it mellow.